to some good news. 2 Ghanaian students have won gold at the GISUTECH Robotics and Technology competition in Uganda for inventing an irrigation system that predicts the quantity of water and moist a crop needs to grow and actually supplying it automatically. The two, who are high school students of the Galaxy International School, say they believe their invention can solve the irrigation challenges that have bedeviled the agri sector in Ghana. There's more in this report.
Imagine that farmers across the country having an irrigation system that is able to predict how much water plants need and then supplies it the right amount of water needed for its nurturing. Yes, you heard right. 2 high school students of the Galaxy International School have done this.
I had a friend who wakes up every day to water her plants. And me and my friend's passion was to solve problem about an irrigation system.
10-year-old Rewan Ibrahim came up with this brilliant idea after seeing how her friend was always watering her plants at home.
Yeah, my friend actually, she told me that she wakes up, let's say 5 in the morning, and waters her plants and crops, but she was in a tight position. So I came up, I got this idea and I presented it to the school. They thought it was a good idea. And Dissa here was kind enough to join our project.
10-year-old Dissa Jaris Bignadi, after failing several times to build a robot, decided to put his mind to this project, and it worked.
I saw people when I go home or I go outside, I've seen people wasting water. So I was just, I thought about decreasing water waste, but I couldn't find anything to think of. So when she announced it, I was happy because she could find something that I could help.
Their physics teacher, Sedat Akdogan, explains how this irrigation plant operates.
So we have 3 sensors, which means we have divided our field into 3 parts. So we're measuring moisture level of part individually every second. So let's say only 1 part needs water now. So Arduino gets data from first one. So we'll just turn first relay on. Okay. So first water pump only, and only that first part will be filled. Will be watered.
Oh.
So once 1 part needs water, you don't want the whole field. It also will be wasting of water, but we don't do this. What's only 1 part is also saving water and energy. And we figured out that with automated system, we save about 60% of water.
It was for this reason that the two were awarded 2 gold medals in the just-ended GISUTECH Robotics and Technological Innovation ahead of 60 participants from 7 African countries. The project presented showcased the value, economic impact and contribution of teaching STEM subjects in advancing the 21st century scientific and technological innovations.
Actually, I was very, very happy, and I was out of this world.
I was really a little bit scared and a little bit excited at the same time.
Galaxy International School has in all won 14 golds, 21 silver, 26 bronze and 9 honorable mentions from international competitions. But what could be the secret behind all these successes?
So here we perform experiments all the time, and then we do projects. Right, but the problem is with WASI, syllabus is too much. So every week we have to catch up with syllabus. So we don't really have time to do some experiments or perform experiments or do some other, related but not extracurriculum activities. We don't really have time for that. But with IG, we have time to do everything. So mostly these projects that we do is mostly with IG students, not with WASI. Unfortunately, they don't have time. And then every day from 8 to 4, they are full.
They are encouraging other students not to give up on their dreams.
Nancy Yemefadra Dosi with that report.